Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use info line on TradingView. Firstly, go to the Super Charts section in TradingView. On the upper toolbar, you'll find the chart type menu. Click on it and choose line as your chart type. Once the chart is set to line, you can activate the info line. On the upper toolbar, click on Settings to open the Settings menu. Navigate to the Symbol tab where you can customize the appearance and settings for the info line. When enabled, the info line will allow you to see the data about the price at any given point along the line. This includes information like the price, time, and other statistical data. Simply hover over the point on the line to see specific details pop up in the small tooltip. In the Settings menu under the Symbol tab, you can adjust the line's appearance to make it more suitable for your analysis needs. You can also change the color, line thickness, and other features to ensure the info line is easy to read. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.